What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be playing some Jailbreak. So let's get right into the game, and we're going to pause the video till we're in the game again. Okay, see, let's do this. Okay, guys, we're going to be prisoner. So let's click prisoner. And today, I'm going to be joined by YT Gamer Michael. What's up, dude? Say hi.
What's up?
Okay, so we are going to escape the prison. Yeah, we are. Okay.
You need a key card so you can get a helicopter with the new update. Helicopters are really useful.
I want to see. I like the
Hey,
new
it's
update.
an alien. It's an alien.
Where? Oh my gosh. What if we escape with one of their ships? That would be awesome. Okay.
The new update is really cool. They went all out on these. Look, it's purple. Everything's purple.
Yeah, everything's so purple. Is it snow out there? Why is there snow? It's spring.
This isn't snow. This is grass. Purple grass.
Oh my gosh, so weird.
The sky is green.
So weird.
Do you think we can glitch into the police officers area?
No. Wait, I know. We can bomb that wall. We can put a bomb on it. Follow me.
Yeah.
Remember that update a long time ago? Come, where are you?
At the wall.
Already? Oh my gosh, this is...
teleported away.
Where did you teleport?
I saw the wall exploding and then I got teleported to the police station. Right next to it. Let this girl explode it and we can just run through.
Yep, she exploded it. Okay. Hurry, go. Come on.
You playing third person or first person? Hey, it's a rocket ship!
Where? Wait for me, okay?
Look, it's a rocket ship.
Can you stop? Stop running. Just wait for the YouTuber. Okay.
What is this?
Wait for me.
You can go inside it.
Wait.
Look, I'm inside of it.
How do you go up there?
Maybe you need a helicopter.
Let's try to.
There's probably gonna be that one who knows everything about the new update and they're screaming at us what to do.
Oh no, there's a police. There's a police. Help me. Help me. Help. I'm right here.
Run in the car.
No.
Not that car. This car. Get in the car.
I just did. There. Now let's get out of here. Let's go to the base. Wait, no. Let's go to the base. Let's go to the prison, the criminal base.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go wherever this road takes us. I don't really care.
No, just go to the criminal base.
To the base of the criminals.
To the base we go.
Oh, do you see that? It's an alien plane in the... It's at a bank. We're getting dressed up. That sounded so weird.
No, let's just go to the criminal base.
No, we are gonna get that. Hashtag YOLO license plate.
Okay, now let's go to the criminal base because we need some weapons. Because look how good we're doing, guys. That police just went right past us. Where are you?
Okay.
You're going to the cave one?
Why do all the police have that flag thing?
Hurry!
That's the police. I'm getting out of here.
Go! No, go straight. There's a criminal base up there.
Yeah, the police are chasing us in a helicopter.
Really? I don't see.
Well, they were. They left. They lost past us. Oh, it's again.
Keep going straight. Oh my gosh.
Keep going straight. I like how you just walk right through trees with her benches are indestructible.
Just keep going straight. Just keep going it. Keep going that direction. You know where the other criminal base is? Oh no. Never mind, don't go up here. Fall off. Go off. This is not where the criminal base was.
I forget.
Okay, goes.
It was somewhere in the. What criminal base are you talking about? The one in the mountain?
No, not the one in the mountain. The one in the town.
Oh, I think you were talking about the one in the. That guy is a monster.
That is a monster truck. I want to go on it. What the? I didn't know there was monster trucks. Oh my gosh.
Did you know there's a possible way? Hey, it's a helicopter. I'm gonna hijack it.
Yo, wait. Okay, go. I'll fly the helicopter.
I'm in, get in.
Wait. Okay, let's go to Criminal Base. Criminal Base.
Yeah, let's go to criminal base. Not the criminal base, the criminal. Yeah.
Oh, it's right there. You just passed it. Turn around.
We can go to the criminal base in a helicopter. Just not done.
That's not the criminal base.
No?
Let me drive.
First. I jumped out of the helicopter.
Let me drive.
Don't steal my driver position.
Yay.
Don't steal my...
Come on, get on.
No, get out. I want to get in there.
I know where the base is exactly.
Get out.
Just come on. Get in. I'm going to go up any second.
Fine.
Wait.
Okay,
Oh.
good.
Yay. I'm so it. Come on.
Hey. Let me be the driver.
Hurry. I'm going to go up.
Fine, go to the criminal base. We'll both get out and land on the top of the building with the ladder. Because then we can climb back up to it. What type of landing was that?
Well, I just went in the parachute. Wait. What are you doing? You're taking the helicopter away? For real?
No, I'm parking it.
There you go.
Watch out, wait, I need to lock it because these other criminals are here. I need to lock the copter.
There we got it.
Lock. I locked it, now no one can get in. Click.
I want my clothes on. There we go.
And into the cop.
Okay, we went to 8 minutes and this screen recorder can only go to 15. Okay?
You're using Screencast?
Yeah. It can only go to 15 minutes.
Are you using Screencast-O-Matic?
Yeah, I'm using that. If you look at the video, you can just see it. And you can... It's actually kind of free. It's free.
I know. I'm the one who told Aiden it was fake. Aiden.
Okay, guys, so we're going to take every single policeman out. That's what we're going to... What is that?
Where is the bank?
You just went right past it, I think. Wait, it's over there. It's right there. Oh no, there's a... Come on, don't pass it. I'm jumping off. I'm gonna jump off like a crazy person. What? I disappeared, guys. Look, I'm invisible. I'm invisible.
I'm stuck in the hell.
body.
I have to reset my character.
Me too.
Take good care of the health.
Oh, man. Oh my gosh, it's taking forever.
I'm glitched.
I was in the middle of nowhere. This is just a... Wow. Oh my god.
I got disconnected.
Well, I'm going to just end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash that subscribe button. And you know what? I will see you next time. See you guys. Dragon
I got
out.
so glitched.